April 2024 Summer Vibe.
Hey, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So after a long time, I'm in front of camera. Of course, I was cooking and preparing different kind of recipes, but it's after a long time I'm here. It's just like a nostalgia. And today I'm going to share a summer drink. The name of the recipe what I was enjoying, that is Molida, a recipe from Barishal, Bangladesh. It's really scorching hot in Kolkata and everywhere. So everybody needs something like drink, energy drink or something like that. So why this nimbu pani and that cold coffee, so lemon tea. So we can try something new yet traditional. That's why I'm going to share this recipe made with very simple ingredients, that is Muri or puffed rice. Everybody knows about that puffed rice or Muri. So just go through the recipe and try this recipe. Till then, I'm going to enjoy my summer drink. Let's start with the recipe. So after a long time, I am back like this. Let me show you the ingredients at first. What I have, this is puffed rice or Muri. I soaked it in plain water, and that is for 15 minutes, so it will be softened. And then I have chilled water, and this is rice flour or chale rata. And this one I have narkel kora, grated coconut. So if you have the coconut that is not tender, I have tender coconut, that is dega narkel jeta amra bole thaki. So I have this, so I don't have to make a paste, otherwise you have to make a paste. And then I have grated ginger, and this is normal sugar, and this is normal salt. So let's start with the recipe. It's very easy, and to maintain the hygiene, I have to wear this glove. That is optional. Obviously, if we use hand, that will be more tasty, but right now I'm not using that. So first I will wear that, and then in a bowl I have to drain the water from the puffed rice and transfer this into the bowl. This is a very quick recipe, you know, and it's really scorching heat, 40 degree in Kolkata, tremendous. So let's do some basic, whatever I was trying to do. So let's do it. The easiest recipe I am doing, and it is my root, you can say. We are Bengali, so kichuta Bangali wana to থাকতেই হবে. It's already soft, and now I have to mash it like chotkano. So as much I can, I will mash it. It won't take much time, but seriously, the recipe is really very nice. So I'm done with this puffed rice. Now I will mix up the ingredient. In the description box, I already mentioned that the measurement of the ingredients. So I'm not mentioning over here. First, this rice flour, and then little bit of salt, and then sugar. I'm not adding much because we have this coconut, tender coconut, that is already sweet, so I'm not adding much sugar. And then generous amount of coconut paste, and I have this tender coconut, so that will be much more tasty. So that is optional, what sort of coconut you want to use. And then the magic ingredient, ginger, grated ginger, so the zing will be there. Now I have to mix it. This is the easiest and tastiest recipe I ever tried. And this summer, this is really very nice. You must try it and let me know. And now, time to add chilled water. And stir it properly so the sugar will dissolve. And I will just come back because I have to clean this table, and I will come back. Stay tuned. So Molida is ready to serve, and I will garnish with little bit of grated coconut. So this is the summer drink that is from Barishal. I am going to taste it. Thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So if you want to find this kind of recipe, you have to go through my channel, and you can always follow me in Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen. And if you want to give food order to me, just check Facebook or Google or Zomato Madhurima's Kitchen. So I am going to enjoy my drink Molida. It's yummy. You must try it.